Let's discuss another question, right? So many questions, right? So that you can have some concept of how to using the knowledge of permutation and combination, right? So you see that 15 students are divided into 3 groups, right? Group A having a 7 student, so group B have 5 students. Total now, group A and group B you have 12 students, and group C you have 3 students. Total up will be have 15 students, and this 15 student is divided to A, B, and C. A 7, B 5, and group C 3 students. Find the number of way to form the 3 groups, right? It's a grouping or forming. So we have 15 students, right? They does not say that they must be men, women or girl. No, they just one student, right? They want 3 groups only. So maybe this is for Gotong Royong, okay? Group A having 7 students means that the 15 student I choose 7 students, right? Firstly, the teacher in the class will the situation will be like this. Semua pelajar, okay, all the students here, 15 students, okay. First group A, okay, group A from the I want to choose from you 7 of you, okay. From the 15, I choose 7, right? I choose 7. After I choose 7, 15 minus with 7, I still got how many, right? I still have 8 students, right? 8 students for group B, right? 8 students for group B, because 15 students I already chosen 7 students for group A, right? This is for group A. So group A. Now group B. Now we talk about grouping. Group B. Okay. Now teacher said, okay. Now group B. Okay. Group B. I want the remaining 8 students choosing another how many students? Okay. You see, group B they want how many students? Group B they want 5 students. So means from the 8 students, the remaining 8 students, I choosing 5 students, right? 5 students. Okay, now minus again, right? The 5 students, I still have 3 more students only. Of course, okay, lastly, I perlukan 3 lagi pelajar, 3 students. Who want to join? Of course, definitely all of them now, okay? All of them. So means 3C3. So now all is I already grouped them. Alright, that's the way. So let's look at the answer. Alright, will be 360 types of groups. Alright, grouping. Alright, okay. But this question some students were asking me, okay. I tell you from my experience, some students were saying, sir, how about now I choosing start from group A first, right? Group A, Group B, and Group C, right? Group C. So some students will say, sir, how if the teacher choosing Group C first, right? Okay, don't confuse. Okay, now this is already done for you. Okay, I just telling you. Let's say the student asks, can I form Group C first? Why the teacher must form Group A first? Why can't the teacher form Group C first? Okay, now the teacher said, okay, I fair. Okay, now I want to form Group C first. Okay, for Group C first, because Group C not happy, okay, from Group C first. So the 15 choose 3, right? Just now the remaining one will be given to Group C, right? Okay, never mind. No, the 15 I choose 3. Now I form Group C first. Grouping, okay, Group C. So later on, after 15 minus 3, I still got how many? 12 students, right? Then the remaining 12 students. Committee B need how many students? Group B need 5 students. So the 12 choosing the 5 students. So 12 minus 5, you have 7 more students. And Group A, finally all Group A, lay long to Group A. So means that the remaining, choosing the remaining, means still got 7 students only, right? Finally, after 12, you have 7 students. Then the Group A needs 7 students. So you calculate, right? If you calculate, you will still getting the same answer, alright? The answer will be 630. Or some then maybe Group B not happy. Group B said, I want, okay? Okay, so 15 choose 5, alright? So I start with Group B. Okay, I start with Group B. So choose 5, and later on, okay, Group A. So 10 more, right? 15 minus 5, right? 15 student minus 5 already. B 5 student, B 5 student. So 10. Choose the 7 student. and the remaining 3 go to group C. You will still getting 360, 360. Alright, it doesn't matter, it's just a grouping. Alright, hope you understand for part A. Alright, okay, let's move on with part B. Okay, repeat again, this 3 is acceptable, right? It's acceptable. Alright, either one. Alright, the 3 groups, okay, question B, the 3 groups, okay, still have 3 groups with 2 given students must be in group A, right? So remember, you have 15 students, right? So means that the 2 students together with the other 13 students, special, right? Special. Maybe these 2 is very good in buang sampah. Okay, in gotong royong, wah, dia pandai kutip sampah. Cikgu kata 2 orang ini mesti di group A. Sebab kalau bagi dia kutip 2 orang, satu sekolah bersih. Okay, maybe, alright. Just a situation, alright. So group A. So group A, you need how many person? Group A, you need 7 students. This you need 5 students. This one you need 3 students, right? And this 2 student is special, right? With special, okay. And the other 13 is not special, okay. These 2, the meaning here is the 3 groups with 2 given student must, must given, you know. So means that 2C2 lah, okay. Don't write also, never mind. Alright, 2C2 must be in that group. So means that I want how many? Group A, I need how many students? I need how many students for group A? So I need 7. So 2, 5, right? 5 plus 2, 7 students. So now 15 students I chosen. No, not chosen. These 2 must be in the group A, right? So, and the remaining 5 must be choose from the 13, right? To cukupkan, to make sure it have 7 in the group A, right? These 2 special must be in the group A, right? Excluded these 2, we still have 13 more. So 13 choose the remaining 5, total 7. And at the same time, now for group B. Group B, we look at this, right? Minus 5, because 5 already in group A. So we still have 11, right? We still have 8, right? So 8. So the remaining 8 choose the 5, right? The remaining 8 choose the 5. And 8 minus 5, right? 8 minus 5, you still have 3%, right? Because the 5 already in group B. So the remaining 3% will be in group C, right? So then that's come your answer. Alright, I just teach you one alternative and you try to understand this. Right, your answer will be 72,072. Alright, I think that's all for this question. Hope you understand.